Welcome to Cook with Jake and Joy. We are so excited for season 6, and we hope you are too. This has been really, really fun.
So
Derek,
fun.
are you having fun too?
I love Cook with Joy.
It's great.
Excuse me?
And Jake, enjoy.
Rude.
And Derek. Okay. All right. So today we are here at our farm, Chapala Gardens, and sometimes we've got between 25 and 40 farms operating. Jake used to run this farm when she was just out of college. She ran it commercially. It was really awesome. Now we run it as a nonprofit, and my husband runs it, and we donate most of the produce to local charities, and it's really cool. But we use a lot of the produce in our show as well. And today we're gonna make Jake and Alex's famous potato salad. Yes!
It is pretty famous. And you wouldn't think of potato salad as needing a farm to go to, but you do, because we put parsley in our potato salad. So we're gonna harvest some parsley here today and take it back to the house and get started.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Fresh
I mean, it was
parsley.
just for the parsley, which is really great because parsley is really good. Parsley is a blood detoxifier, which is so important to get into your body every day, especially for women. It really helps to get heavy metals, just like cilantro does. So,
Love heavy metal.
do you love heavy metal? And you already started chopping it, which is great.
I did some.
You want to make sure you take the stems off because a lot of times people don't, and then it's like,
Right.
I
Don't
hate
put it
that.
in my pile.
don't put it. What in your
pile's
pile?
ready.
Oh, but you can keep chopping it. It can be much more. It doesn't matter.
I know, but I don't
That's
know if we need more parsley.
We do. We need a half a cup. So this is Alex's recipe.
Alex's mom's recipe. She's from Austria. It's her Austrian potato salad recipe that he's sort of adapted and added to some things and taken out some things. So his mom makes it with eggs, regular mayonnaise, and she puts bacon, and she also puts pimento peppers, both pimento peppers in it. And so we don't put bacon or the peppers or anything in there, but we've modified her recipe a little bit.
Can't do that on this show.
Can't do that.
Well,
yeah.
I wouldn't do it anyway.
Yeah.
I love potato salad, and there's lots of them that I do love. What I liked about this one was that number one, it uses yellow potatoes, which I really like. Potatoes are great. They help to manage your blood pressure. They're a really great source of fiber. They're a really good source of calories. And a lot of times people say, oh, you shouldn't eat potatoes because it'll spike your blood sugar. That's bullshit. So I love potatoes.
Yeah.
What's cool is that we prepped a lot of this last night. So we just had to go over and get the parsley today, but we did the potatoes and we chopped up everything else that's gonna go in it. So this is gonna go like
Super
that.
fast.
So like if you were gonna go to a picnic and you don't wanna assemble it necessarily. I mean, it probably will keep.
Alex makes this probably almost every other week, and we keep it for about 4 or 5 days. And we actually I literally eat potato salad all day long when you make it. So you can keep for a few days, and I find it actually the longer it sits, the better it gets. I don't know what that's about. If you let the potato soaks up all the flavors. If you want to make it ahead of time, or prep it ahead of time, it works.
At any rate, we got this all together last night. But so this tip that Alex gave us is I really like. I've never done this before. Is he boils the potatoes whole with the skins on. Now I like potato salad with the skins on, but this is Alex's recipe, so we're not doing it. So
why isn't Alex here?
I know, why isn't
I know, he was upset about it.
Yeah, that we're doing his recipe. So what happens is when you boil them with the skins on, now it's not going to come off as easily because we had them in the fridge overnight, but I wanted to see if it would work, and it does. This is really cool because if you did this with, like if you had to peel potatoes like we did at Thanksgiving,
right,
it took forever. So we should have done this. Now they're hot when they come out, and then they come off a little bit easier when they're hot than they are now.
He runs cold water over it so you don't burn your hands too badly, so it cools them down a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't burn my hands at all when I did it while you were watching me.
Yeah, I always do.
You always watch
hot
me, or you
potato,
always
hot
burn it?
potato.
Oh. Yeah, no, I
Maybe
didn't.
that's where the saying comes
Yeah,
from.
right.
An actual hot potato.
Okay, so show me.
So then he cuts them like this in half. Oh yeah, they're harder to. And he usually cuts them when they're really warm too. It's tough.
Is that harder?
It's harder to cut them when it's
interesting.
cold.
It's just because you haven't been working out as much.
I know. So I cut them into bite-sized cubes. And then into the bowl they go.
So we used 5 pounds of potatoes, and Jake says that they normally come in 5 pounds. I did not buy them. I bought them in little 1 pound bags because they were kind of thick.
Like 5 bags?
I bought 5 bags. I bought 5 bags of 1 pounds. I don't know if they were exactly 1 pound. Okay, so the rest of this is going to go really fast.
Yep,
Take us through it.
easy. Okay, so you just literally put everything in all at once. You don't mix anything previously. Throw it all in and mix it. So this is 1 large red onion. If you can't find large, then you do 2 small red onions chopped.
And she made me chop it up really fine. And if you don't remember from all the times I tell you about onions. They are so fabulous for you. They are full of antibacterial, is everything. They've got so many antioxidants in them. They're part of the G bombs. So right here, you're getting the O from the G bombs. So if you remember, the G is the greens, which we've got in the parsley.
Yep.
The B is for beans, which we don't have in this recipe. But the O is for onion, and super important. The M is mushrooms. The other B is berries. I don't think berries would be good in this.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. And then S is for seeds. And we could put seeds in here, but we're doing Alex's recipe.
Yeah.
So let's throw everything else
so
in.
Then six pickles.
And naturally we use bubbies. We love bubbies. Both of us do.
One thing you want to make sure that I was so shocked by is that not all pickles are created equal, which for some reason I thought that they were. They're not. So you want to make sure that the pickles that you buy don't have any colorings or any kind of weird chemicals in them, and bubbies are one that are really pretty clean and good.
Cool. Sonoma Company makes some too. Those are kind of like more rare.
Yeah. So then 1 can of chopped black olives.
I love olives. It's so hard for me to chop them up and not eat them. When you were little, you used to put them on your fingers and eat them all. I don't think you really liked olives, but you liked putting them on your fingers.
I still don't like black olives.
You
really
still don't? But you like them in here.
Yep. Then half a cup of parsley.
And once again, Alex is guessing at this, so we're going to have to figure it out what we think. Should I mix that up now?
No. He uses a much bigger bowl, so there's a lot more room to stir.
But I have a great big one down in the basement. Should I go get it?
No.
Okay.
No.
All right,
we're
fine.
gonna do
We'll just do this.
Okay. So then.
Okay, I got to get on this.
Okay.
You want me to do it, or are you going to do it?
So I think
this is my fancy new spatula. Isn't it cute? It's called Up. What is it called? Up Food? Up Good.
Up Good.
Up Good. And the people that make these, they said that they thought that you see. This is why I needed to get involved.
2 tablespoons of mustard.
Dijon.
The Dijon mustard.
It doesn't have to be Grey Poupon like he said on there. That's only for snots.
That's what Alex uses.
I like this one. This is Organicville. This is my favorite new mustard. So we'll put 2 tablespoon-ish.
Go a little more, like you said, like you normally just said. You go over what the recipe says.
More?
Yeah, go a little more. That's good.
But I'm using all my mustard.
I know. Okay, and then 6 tablespoons of vegan mayonnaise.
I always called it Vegenaise until we went to, these guys have a restaurant. This is Follow Your Heart. They make a whole bunch of great vegan products. And we went to their restaurant once and I just said, can I get some Vegenaise on the side? And the guy comes back with, he says, here's your Vegenaise. I said, I think you mean Vegenaise. He says, well, I'm pretty sure we make it.
Yeah, I know what it's called. So 6 tablespoons of that.
Okay, I probably should have washed that off. Shoot.
Oh, you're gonna get
I'm getting it everywhere.
Okay, 2. 3.
Yuck.
That's all right. 4.
See how
5.
precise I'm measuring these?
I know, it's pretty good. 6.
Okay.
And then we can taste it at the end and make changes if we have to.
And then, this is the weird thing, what he has to add next, which is so crazy.
So you need to put some of the pickle juice and some of the olive juice in as well.
He said a tablespoon-ish.
Yeah.
You think it's more?
Maybe.
Well, should we try
Let's
first?
just try it first.
Okay.
We'll do a taste test and we'll try
And
it.
then this is not Serrano jam.
No, it's the saved olive juice.
Okay, so we'll put that in.
What's that?
This is olive
juice from the can. So we just saved the juice that came in the olive can.
This looks so good. I cannot wait to eat this. Oh my God. Look, we're cooking together.
A recipe I actually know how to make.
Well, I did the potatoes.
Yeah, but I know how to do it. Because you were doing it.
Because you were drinking.
Well, priorities.
It was fun.
And salt, just to taste. You can always add more.
Okay.
The pink Himalayan salt?
It is the pink Himalayan salt. I love pink Himalayan salt. I got to eat some of that. I need a
Get a fork. Grab a fork. I'm gonna keep mixing. I feel like it might need more mayonnaise or more mustard, but
let me try. I brought a fork for everybody. That's really good.
You sound surprised.
No, I'm not surprised. Like I said, there are very few potato salads that I don't like, but this is really good.
no, not mayonnaise. I was thinking of more mustard.
But really, do you think?
No, I think it's probably good.
Derek, you want to try it?
I do. Stand by.
Can you tell us if it's good? Okay, here, try this. Come here. What do you think? Is it yum?
That's amazing.
Amazing.
Yum. Okay, we gotta have some of
Thanks,
this.
Alex's mom.
I know.
That is delicious, and it didn't take 12 hours in the dehydrator either.
Nope. Quick.
That's it. That's all we got for Cook with Jake and Joy and Derek today. Tune in again for our next episode. We'd love to see you. Let us know what you like. If there's a recipe that you want to see, we'd love to make it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.